Hi Dr. Lamb, this is Lacey Phillips and this is my video reflection number 4. I did a lesson for first grade over measurement and fractions. For first grade they are learning 1/2 and 1/4. So the challenges that I faced is to make sure that I had enough information for them to be able to understand what measurement and fractions is. And another challenge was making sure that my students were ready for this lesson, because some of the students in the class were not as ahead in math as other students were. So I wanted to make sure that every child was reached for this lesson. Um, the challenges that I faced when implementing my lesson was making sure that I gave them the correct terminology for the fraction, the measurement and fraction, where the top number was the numerator, which is the part of the whole, and the denominator, which is the bottom number, is the whole itself. A way that I did that is to have interactive anchor charts to where they could come up and I had a circle and a square, and they could either put up a fourth of the square, or they could put up half of the square, or they could put up a half of the circle. That way that they understood that which parts they were shading in was the part of the whole. For the third question, how was learning affected by my planning and teaching? The lesson actually went really well. For the guided practice, we did a worksheet to where we together where we were able to shade in and determine what was a half and what was a fourth. And then for their independent practice, I was able to put pictures of different force up around the room, and they had to tell me whether or not it was actually considered a fourth or if it wasn't, which was a little more challenging, but the kids really caught on to it, which was really good to see, because all the shapes, when they had to show that it wasn't a fourth, it showed that the shapes were not divided equally into 4 parts. So it was really fun to watch them be able to get that without me having to do a whole lot of discussion over it. And I really liked this lesson. The kids were really excited about getting to get up and move around for math. So I'll probably use this lesson again in the future, probably with bigger numbers, especially in field next semester with me being in 3rd grade. So I was really excited about it. I hope you enjoyed it.